It's the first snow of the season. It's a bit chilly this morning. It's all snowy here. It's really beautiful though. It's supposed to get sunny and well, a little bit warmer here in the next couple days, so I'm just hanging out, enjoying this beautiful snow. It's gorgeous here. I wiped the snow off my solar panel because every little bit helps. My battery doesn't store quite as much energy, especially when it's cold. It's about a 4-year-old battery now, and I probably need a new one. But I'll do that at some other time. Oh, the wind. Oh, the wind. It's not that cold until the wind hits you, and then it's cold. Oh my gosh, okay. That is chilly. That's chilly. Oh wow. So I just pulled out of the forest road I'm camped on, and I'm on the other side of the meadow, and I just wanted to show you this. It's so beautiful here. There's these beautiful trees changing colors, and I'm to the left down there, just on the edge of the meadow, right in the trees. Oh, and it's just an absolutely beautiful scene in all directions here. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And yeah, even behind me over here. Just beautiful here. Very beautiful. Good morning. Oh, it is a beautiful morning. It snowed a few days ago, and well, as you saw, I got out and was filming, and I just couldn't keep filming because it was just too cold. It wasn't the temperature, it was the wind. The wind just sucks all of the heat out of you. So yeah, and yesterday was pretty windy too. So here I am today. Good morning. We have some catching up to do. Well, it is definitely getting above freezing now. My camper was completely covered in snow and ice yesterday, and yeah, all the snow's sloughing off now and melting, so that's a good sign. It's right at noon, so yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. Beautiful. So one thing I like to do every day, well, if it's not super windy and stormy, is to walk out through the meadow to the Carson River. So yeah, I want to show that to you. This place here is called Hope Valley. and it's about 20 miles just south of South Lake Tahoe. And it's probably, I don't know, 7,200, 7,400 feet in elevation. So yeah, it gets pretty snowy here. And right about here, you want to turn around and look in the other direction. Because, oh my gosh, these mountains are so beautiful. I can't get enough of them. Oh, wow. And then, if you turn around over here, you get the beautiful trees changing colors. Right over the mountains, right there, over that ridge, that is where Lake Tahoe is. Probably right about 20 miles, a little less perhaps. And that is due north. I also had oral surgery again for the third time, which should have been a one-time thing. Yeah, it turned into a three-time thing. And that was really, really bumming me out. Back in July, I had a gum transplant, or a gum graft. And they take tissue from the roof of your mouth. And in my case, it was put right down here on my lower teeth in the front. And the reason for that is because my frenum, that little piece of skin that attaches down below from your lower lip, was a little too strong, and so it was, you know, pulling down on my gums, making my gums recede quite a bit. Apparently that's very common. That's not, not at all uncommon, which I just learned because I had the surgery. But then it didn't quite work out as he had anticipated. And so exactly a month later, he went back again and recut my frenum and then tried to fix the gum, trying to bring it back up again. That didn't seem to turn out super well. So just over 2 weeks ago, he cut my frenum again, and this time he put some super glue down in the incision, and he exclaimed that that was to prevent the muscle tissue from reattaching again, which I guess is why he had to do it 3 times. I guess I'm such a good healer that my tissue just reattached after he cut it. I don't really know, but yeah, I think this is the 3rd time's a charm. But yeah, that took up my whole summer because essentially almost every single week I was having an appointment with my oral surgeon. And yeah, that was a huge deal. And it's not over yet. I think I'm going to need another gum transplant because the other one, it's just not where it's supposed to be, I guess. So and so here we are at the Kit Carson River that runs through the meadow. It's really gorgeous, and there's a couple little duckies down there enjoying themselves. It's really, really gorgeous here. Wow. Yeah, pretty much everything in this valley is named after Kit Carson. There's a Kit Carson River and Kit Carson Pass, and there's a Kit Carson Lodge up there. There's obviously a lot of Kit Carson history here, which I am totally not up on. Which I'm very curious about now, though. I definitely want to look up some Kit Carson history. So the sun is coming out a little bit. There were these really high clouds there for a few hours that were really blocking all the sun. And I had parked my car way over there to be directly in the sun to recharge my portable battery. I have the two solar panels leaning up against the side because the wind is blowing from the south here. And so the wind can't blow them over when they're leaning up against the car like that. And I can put the battery inside the car and out of the sun, so it's not, you know, in the sun or anything. All right, I'm gonna make a quick dinner here. And I'm just gonna have some soup from Trader Joe's because, yeah, my mouth still hurts. And I'm gonna put some egg noodles in it to kind of, you know, give it a little more oomph, I guess. And I bought these ciabatta rolls, so I don't know, maybe I'll dip a roll into my soup and yeah, and put a little Parmesan cheese on the top. Whew. I've had this Trader Joe's soup before and it's really good. It's seasonal, I think, so, or maybe not, I don't remember. But it seems seasonal because it's autumnal. So I have the water on to boil to cook the noodles. And I don't know how long it'll take exactly because my water jug has a huge block of ice in it. So the water's at close to freezing. And I put the chair there to keep the wind gusts from blowing the flame, you know, and cooling it off. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see how long it takes. Well, this might be a bust trying to make dinner. I had to change out the propane tank, so when I took the old one off, like it was stuck open, and the little last bit of propane in it like leaked out. It was like, and then I put the new one on, and I can't get a full flame. Like when I turn the flame up, it goes away on the side on about half of it. And I can't get a whole flame, and I can't get the water to boil. I've been doing this for about 20 minutes now. Anyway, yeah, I might go into South Lake Tahoe and grab a bean and cheese burrito because they are good as long as there's no meat. I don't want to chew too much, right? A little bit of chewing is good, but too much, like it just hurts. So, yeah, I don't know.